it's Djcaseuk UK with another Acid Pro tutorial. On this video I'm going to show you how you can get surround sound on Acid Pro version 7. Apparently this is something that was added in version 8 onwards, but you can actually get it in Acid Pro version 7. So if you're interested in making music or music editing software,
dig this.
hit subscribe. There's going to be a lot of great content. With that being said, let's get into this video.
Oh my gosh, Djcaseuk bringing you another tutorial.
So to get surround sound in Sony Acid Pro version 7, it's quite easy actually. You just need to go into the project properties, and there's lots of ways you can do that in Acid Pro. You can go to File, Properties. I've actually added it onto the toolbar as well. I'll do a video on how you can customize the toolbar. On the mixer as well, there's a button here which will also take you into the project properties, and once you're inside there you can change the metadata here, but it's this tab here that you want to click on, the audio tab, and that will bring up this part here. And from here, if you change the master bus mode from stereo to surround sound, you'll then be able to add surround sound effects into your project. I'll show you how that kind of works. So you can see now it has changed the master bus into four outputs on the master bus to create a surround sound with your project. Also, when you add audio tracks into the project, you now have this section here which is the surround pan, which you also have a tab for as well. Down here you can add a tab for the surround pan. I've actually got mine on another screen. So yeah, when you've got a track here, then you can adjust the surround pan by clicking on these buttons, and that will then bring up the surround pan inside the surround panner tab, and from here you will be able to adjust how the surround sound works for the track very easily. So this is really more for advanced editing and mixing and mastering. It's very useful to have this Sony feature inside Acid Pro version 7. If you did like and enjoy the content of this video, hit like, share, comment, subscribe. That really helps my channel. And keep making beats with Acid Pro. See you on the next video. Click down here to subscribe to my channel. Click over here to watch more videos on Acid Pro, and see you on the next video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share, like, comment and subscribe. That really helps my channel. I've left some links in the description. That's basically how I can get paid for making these videos. See you on the next video.